Welcome to this rapid-fire electronics explainer. We're skipping the fluff and hitting the exact technical points you need.
Ohm's law. Voltage equals current times resistance. That's the literal mathematical backbone of every circuit we'll cover today.
So in a closed loop, voltage pushes those amps, right? And resistance just limits that overall flow.
Now, to control that flow without clunky moving parts, boom, enter the Bipolar Junction Transistor, or BJT.
Take an NPN. You've got your base, collector, and emitter. A tiny base current controls a massive collector current.
Properly bias that base, and you instantly turn it into a lightning-fast switch or an active amplifier stage.
But honestly, MOSFETs absolutely crush BJTs for switching. Gate, source, drain. Controlled entirely by voltage, not current.
They have insanely high input impedance, meaning the gate draws basically zero current. It's incredibly efficient.
These exact components form the backbone of complex digital logic gates, oscillators, and those switched-mode power supplies.
Reading schematics? You gotta quickly spot series components limiting current and parallel branches acting as precise voltage dividers.
Oh, and never forget diodes. They're the one-way gatekeepers, keeping your delicate transistor logic circuit safe from damage.
Throw on proper housing and you get an LED. But warning, these semiconductor junctions can and will fail.
Why? Usually beginners ignore pinouts, accidentally short the gate, or push way too much current and fry them. So how do you spot a fried transistor? Grab your multimeter and let's run through the fault detection steps.
Always cut power first. Then, use diode mode to check the junctions. A dead short? Yep, blown transistor.
Seriously, a huge beginner mistake is testing junctions on a live board. Safety first, guys. Absolutely disconnect power.
Okay, rapid-fire symbol recap to lock this in. Here's your standard BJT schematic symbol. Memorize it.
And here are your diode and LED symbols. Recognize these instantly and you're reading almost any schematic out there.
So, the foundation is completely set. The only question left is, what complex logic circuit are you building next?